And he gave me a scripture.
Come on.
Can I read the scripture?
You can read the scripture.
Okay.
Bible verses are okay here.
It's Romans 8, and it's verse 17 and 18, and it says, and if we are his children, then we are also his heirs, heirs of God and fellow heirs with Christ, sharing his inheritance with him. Only we must share his suffering if we are to share his glory. And a lot of times I just stop there at the suffering part. And I was like, oh man, but I don't want to suffer, but I want his glory, right?
Come on.
But it says this, it says, but what of that? For I consider that the sufferings of this present time and this present life are not worth being compared with the glory that is about to be revealed to us. And I just felt like all of a sudden I was realizing that whatever suffering I was going through, that in comparison to the glory, it's really, it's nothing.
God.
And just minimizing the things that were kind of knocking me off of just feeling strong in the Lord and maximizing everything that he could do in the situation, that really helped me. But I had to clear up some stuff on the inside. So
yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing that testimony with us.
Yeah.